The NutriChef Electric Pressure Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance with a 6-quart capacity and 9 preset cooking functions. It simplifies meal preparation for busy individuals and families, making it suitable for cooking, baking, steaming, broiling, and braising. This electric pressure cooker features a sleek black design and compact size, which is 13.1 into 11.4 inches. For easy countertop placement, made from stain-resistant stainless steel, it combines durability with aesthetics. Its digital LED display and touch control panel enhance usability, while a unique open lid mode allows for diverse cooking techniques. The NutriChef Electric Pressure Cooker operates at 1000 volts and is constructed from stainless steel iron, metal alloys, and engineered ABC. It has a capacity of 6 quarts and features 9 preset modes including cook, bake, steam, broil, and braise. The LED touch control allows for smart adjustments to time and temperature, reducing cooking time by up to 70% compared to traditional methods. Safety and ease of cleaning are prioritized with its auto power-off function and a non-stick inner pot that is dishwasher safe. The cooker also includes a measuring cup and a rice spoon. Users have given outstanding feedbacks on a range of kitchens. With 9 preset functions, it ensures seamless transitions between different cooking techniques, making meal preparation a breeze. Users appreciate the speed, noting that meals can be prepared up to 70% faster than traditional methods. Moreover, features such as adjustable time settings, which is up to 240 minutes, and the sealed pressure cooking system have received acclaim for maintaining the natural flavors of the food. Many users enjoy using the pressure cooker for various dishes like stews, beans, and baked goods. Key benefits include steaming vegetables, cooking meats for healthier meals, and an easy-to-clean non-stick interior. Some users find the steam really noisy, but it hasn't deterred them from using the cooker. So, let's elevate your cooking experience effortlessly. Click on the description for the purchase link and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews.